Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I'm picking
a lock.
Can't get that
A
in
box.
Safeguard 5-lever padlock that Mrs. Deadlocks bought for me because I was having a bad day.
Yeah. Mrs. Deadlocks spoils Mr. Deadlocks.
That's the lock. And when I first got it, I found that key a little bit intimidating because I seen that gap there and thought, oh, there must be warden in there. And had a look inside, and there is no warden in there. So I just used the Chubb battleship tensioner that I filed down for the... What did I file it down for? It was a Squire Defiant, because that fits quite nicely in there. And a little short curved wire. And
Well, that's cheating.
what's cheating?
You can't put the key in to see, like you can't take the key out to see how the dimples move.
What do you mean?
You can take this bit off. Oh.
Yeah, Mrs. Deadlocks was playing with the clear dimple lock that Charles Rich sent. Which, well, that video's probably gone up before this one.
More than likely. Throw pins in, bombs in. Then they're all like the same length. But them ones aren't. That's so confusing. Oh, because the key puts it in and then they all got the same length so they can turn.
There we go.
And then ones pop out.
It's not a particularly difficult lock to pick,
And they should all...
but lever locks are always fun to pick. You're having fun there?
I'm confused.
What's confusing you?
Because when the two keys are in, those keys are all wiggly jiggly, those things. And when that one's all the way in, they're flat. So that's like that. But then when you put this key back in, they're all wiggly. Oh no, they're all flat now. But then that one's been pushed back out. It's weird.
Okay. Yeah. What Mrs. Deadlocks is saying
Should start a new video.
is when both the keys in, the one on the right, all of the pins are all level, and the ones on the left are all wiggly jiggly. But then if you push that in, it pops the key out the other side a little bit, and then them ones are all flat and them ones are all wiggly jiggly. Would you like to see why?
We'll do that in another video and you can teach me how to pick a dimple lock.
Well, this is not really teaching how to pick a dimple lock.
Okay then, tell me.
There is a little thing in there that the key engages with. Yes, it's called a knobble that the key engages with.
Right.
To turn the
spinny thing.
Yep, to turn the spinny thing.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing moves from side to side, so there can only be one key in and working at a time. So when you push one side in, the other side pops out a little.
Oh. It smells like cigars. Smell it.
I say.
Smells nice.
Anyway, that's the Spaceguard 5-lever padlock picked. That's all from us. See you next time. Bye! Nice full set. There we go.